Well, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech. So, guys, today I will be unboxing the Mivi Rock and Roll earphones with mic. So, this is the box, and there is a packet on it. So, let's remove the packet real quick without wasting any time. So, let me get a knife first. Okay, here's a knife, and let's remove the packet. We will talk about the box after removing this, and I'll also tell you how is the sound quality. First, let me open this thing. Okay, just a second. Make sure to subscribe and like for more such videos. So now let's remove the packet, and okay, make sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. So I will throw this thing, and so here is the box and Mivi branding here, and Rock and Roll E5 earphones with mic. Push the limits. Okay, designed and engineered in India. Rock and Roll E5 earphones with mic. Okay, HD stereo sound, lossless audio, super solid bass, powerful drivers, ergonomic design, snug fit, 1 year warranty. This is the voluntary manufacturer warranty by Mivi. Okay, so now let's open the box without wasting any further time. So contact number, Mivi email address, support@mivi.in. Okay, let me take it out now. Okay, so I have opened it. So now let's take it out. Okay, this is the box, and it is empty now, so we will keep it here. Okay, please register for Mivi warranty coverage. I don't know why a warranty is required for a 400 rupees product. Okay, but this is a good thing that they are giving a warranty. Okay, 1 year warranty. Click a photo of your invoice. You can check this out. Okay, let's take this out, and very well packed earphones, black and yellow color. Okay, extra earbuds. Let's throw this. Let's keep this aside, and now let's take this thing out. Okay, the wires, like, okay, like a cloth. You can see Mivi branding here, and this was the box, and you can see this Mivi earphones, yellow color here, and this just looks like a candy. Okay, let's remove this wire. Let me open the, okay, so we will throw this thing, and here are the earphones. You can see the length. Just a second. Okay, okay, so guys, if you want to use this in your iPhone, you can also order a Mivi that connector. I will give the link in the description if that is available. Okay, the connector to lightning to aux, you can use this. So now the quality seems great, and here is the button, and I think this is the mic. Okay, Mivi branding here again. So now let's test it without wasting any further time. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 E, and I had this phone with an aux port, so I got this. So let me, okay, just a second. Okay, easy plug-in. Now let me plug it in my ears, so I will test it. Okay, now I have applied it. Just a second. Okay, let me open the device. Okay, now let's open YouTube. Okay, let me play NCS music. Okay, so it feels so comfortable. Okay, let's remove the ad. Full volume. Okay. Okay, the bass feels so good. Clarity is also amazing. At this price range, 400 rupees, I think this is good. Okay, amazing. So now let me remove it and I'm done. So now let me show it to you. So I hope you guys can hear the song. You can listen to it. So guys, I will rate it 9 out of 10. So at this price range, if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. So this was the Mivi Rock and Roll E5 earphones with mic. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Also click the bell icon for more such videos. If you want to buy it, again the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Also click the bell.